प्रत्येक पक्ष म्हणतो धर्म धोक्यात आहे, की धर्माला वाचवा, धर्म बचाव. अहो, आमचा धर्म आहे, आमचा धर्म प्रिय आहे. प्रत्येक व्यक्तीला आपला धर्म प्रिय असलाच पाहिजे. जे लोक म्हणतात तुम्हाला की धर्म बचाव, जो पक्ष म्हणतोय तुम्हाला की धर्म बचाव, धर्म धोके में है, खरं म्हणजे ते धर्माला प्रार्थना करतायत की आमचा पक्ष धोक्यात आहे, तुम्ही आम्हाला वाचवा. काही गरज नाही भूल थापायला, बळी पडायची. त्यांना पहिलं म्हणा धर्माचं आम्ही बघून घेतो, आमच्या कामाचं सांगा तुम्ही. धर्माचं आम्ही बघून घेतो, आमच्या पिकं पाण्याला तुम्ही काय भाव देतायत ते सांगा. धर्माचं आम्ही बघून घेतो, पण आमच्या आई बहिणी या सुरक्षित आहेत का नाही ते सांगा.
Riteish Deshmukh, Bollywood actor and son of former Maharashtra Chief Minister Vilasrao Deshmukh, has stirred political discussions with his recent participation in Congress election campaign in Maharashtra. Though widely recognized as an actor, Ritesh's speech at a Congress rally has gone viral, drawing particular attention from BJP supporters. Deshmukh's family holds strong ties to Congress. His brothers Amit and Riteish Deshmukh are Congress MLAs who regularly participate in party activities. Riteish, however, has largely avoided a political role until this election season. Although not an official Congress spokesperson, his appearance at the rally and his pointed remarks about BJP's religiously focused politics have sparked widespread reactions on social media. In his speech, Riteish questioned the emphasis on saving religion, suggesting that the issues like women's safety and the rising cost of essentials are more urgent concerns. His comments, widely shared by Congress supporters, have highlighted a message that challenges the BJP's reliance on religious themes in its political rhetoric. Ritesh's campaign stop in Latur, where he rallied for his brothers, drew a large crowd. Known for his lighthearted roles, he surprised the audience with a serious, mature message, calling out what he perceived as the BJP's misuse of religious sentiments. His speech underscores his family's legacy, particularly the influence of his father, Vilasrao Deshmukh, a long-standing Congress leader. Vilasrao's vision of a resilient Congress continues through Riteish, who echoed his father's prediction that Congress will remain a cornerstone in Indian politics. During his address, Riteish referenced the controversy in Sindhudurg, where a statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji erected by PM Modi was reportedly damaged. Riteish demanded an apology from the BJP, indicating that the incident was a mark of disrespect to Maharashtra's revered icon, a statement that reinforced his stance on political accountability and respect for local sentiments. While he has a clear connection to Congress, Riteish maintains cordial relations with BJP leaders, often wishing politicians from both sides of the aisle on social media. However, his recent remarks suggest a deeper alignment with Congress principles, particularly in his critique of BJP's approach to religious issues. On the cinematic front, Riteish has spent over 2 decades in Bollywood, with hit films like Masti, Houseful and Dhamal under his belt. He is known for both comedy and serious roles, most recently appearing in Ek Villain Returns. Currently, he hosts Big Boss Marathi, balancing his career in entertainment alongside his growing public role. His personal life has been equally scrutinized, particularly his relationship with actress Genelia D'Souza. They too married in 2012 after a decade-long courtship, overcoming initial family hesitations about their interfaith relationship. Riteish Deshmukh's increased involvement in Congress campaign raises intriguing questions about his influence in Maharashtra's political scene. Could his presence help sway young voters toward Congress? His evolving political stance continues to be a subject of debate and curiosity as Maharashtra's election season unfolds.